Hey guys, Brian Davikas, and guess what we have in our shop? We have the Dell Venue 7. So, this is model 3730. Um, has a Intel Atom processor, the Z2560, 1.6 gigahertz dual core, 2 gigs memory, 16 gigs storage capacity, integrated Intel HD graphics. It ships with Android 4.2. Wireless and plus Bluetooth, 3 megapixel camera on the back, and 0.3 megapixel on the front. I'm not too liking that idea, but let's see. What else did it have? I don't know. Battery, 15.5 WHR. Thickness 0.378 and weight is 0.692. Let's open it. Wow. There we go. We got the tablet, chargers, instruction manuals, quick guide setups. Yeah, all that bull. Let's get to the good stuff. Wow. Compared to the 8, here, let's take all this off while it boots up. So apparently you just grab around here, you pull that up. Voila. That's the 7. That's the 8. Set up. Damn, Twitter. No, we don't want to set up Google account right now. Not right now. Speed to this. No, don't want to do this right now. Finished. Yeah. Let's see, what does it have? Yep, 4.2.2. So yeah, let's check out this camera. Oh yeah, damn. Camera sucks. The front-facing camera really sucks. Okay, so this thing cost about $150. Like I said, it has a weak front camera, 3 megapixel camera in the back, okay, and the 1.6 dual core. And the Dell 8 costs $180, which has a 5 and a 5 in the back, and then I don't remember what's in the front. So a 5 in the back and 2 in the front. Way better deal. I would recommend you, if you're going to get a Dell tablet, go with the Dell Venue 8. Better performance. You got the 1.6 dual core. You got the 2 gigahertz dual core. Over here we have the front camera, which is 0.3 megapixels, and we have a 2 megapixel camera. In the back, on the Dell Venue 7, we have a 3 MP camera, and on the Dell Venue 8, we have a 5. Both do not have flash, but look at the size difference. Which one would you prefer? This one had better performance in its processor and camera. I would like this one better. It's smaller, it's easier. Fit in your pockets, coats, and whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna stick with the Dell Venue 8. Anyways, that's comparing those two. Anyways, you guys go ahead and check this device out. I'm gonna try to play with it and see how long the battery will last, and hopefully get back to you guys. So if you have any questions and you want to know about this wonderful Dell 7 tablet, go ahead and leave a comment. All right. All right, later.